Hey everybody, in this video we'll talk about solving an exponential equation by using natural logarithms, decimal answers. So for this problem we have e to the 3y equals 9. Now I have a previous video about solving exponentials using logarithms, but in this case we have a base e. So it makes sense to, instead of take the log base 10, take the natural log of both sides. So we get the natural log of e to the 3y equals the natural log of 9. The power rule, so the power property says we can bring down this 3y. So we get 3y times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 9. Now why was that nice? Well, remember, the natural log of e is log base e of e. And this property says that is equal to 1. So if that is equal to 1, then we get 3y times 1, which is just 3y, equals the natural log of 9. Now, to get y by itself, we can divide by 3. And we get y equals the natural log of 9 divided by 3. Now, it's not 9 divided by 3, so it ends up being the natural log of 3, right? This 9 is inside the natural log, and we cannot divide that 3 out. But once we use our calculator to approximate this, we'll get approximately 0.73. Okay, so just make sure you're not doing the dividing and then taking the natural log of 3. That won't give you the right answer. So let's do one more. So here's another one. We have e to the y plus 2 equals 6. We have a base e, so again let's take the natural log of both sides. And the first step is to isolate this term with the exponent, but in each of these problems that's already been done for us, so we don't need to worry too much about it. Now, the natural log of e to the y plus 2, this entire y plus 2 is the exponent, so we can bring it down. So we get y plus 2 times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 6. The natural log of e is 1, so we get y plus 2 equals the natural log of 6. Now subtract 2 to both sides, and we get y equals the natural log of 6 minus 2. Now, in our calculator, we have a natural log button, and then so we can take natural log of 6 minus 2, and we'll get that y is approximately negative 0.21. And we can always check these by plugging y back in to here and seeing if we get 6 out. Okay, so that is solving exponentials using natural logs.